guys, welcome to Varu TV. Now in today's video, we are going to talk about something that has become a part and parcel of our lives in the whole corona times. Yes, I'm talking about Zoom meetings. Now, we do a lot of Zoom meetings, a lot of educators do a lot of Zoom meetings, and there's always a question, how can you record it? And well, how can you upload it on Varu TV? Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record your Zoom meetings and upload those meetings on Varu TV. Now this is especially important for people who want to showcase how their work goes on, how do the meetings go on, and also to the educators that take really good classes and upload them on Varu TV. And Varu TV is one of the best known platform for all the educators out there, and that is why this video is so important. So before we dive into the actual tutorial, let me tell you that if you're a free member of Zoom, you can only make local recordings. But if you're a premium member, you can also have cloud recordings that you can save. Today we'll be considering the free membership so that everyone can be accommodated in this tutorial. Also, if you're the host of the meeting, you can very easily record the meetings. But if you're not the host of the meeting, you'll need to take the permission of the host to record the videos. And in today's video, we're only covering Zoom's internal recording features. There are also other ways that we will be covering in the coming videos. So make sure that you've pressed the subscribe button. And make sure that you have your account ready on Varu TV because that's going to be part of the process. So let's get started and let's dive into the tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back, and like I told you, I'm going to show you how very easily you can record your Zoom meetings and upload them on Varu TV. Now for this we are using a free account, and this process will be similar for both the free and the premium users, so you do not need to worry if you do not have a premium subscription for Zoom, right? So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have already opened the Zoom tab here. So what we are going to do is we're going to create a new meeting. Now this new meeting is not going to have any video as I'm already speaking to you guys using that video. So it will not be allowed by the computer to get started on Zoom. So you do not need to worry, this will not be happening to you. This is only for me as I have already been using the webcam, right? So as you see, it is a normal Zoom window. There's nothing new here and we are all so very used to this. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click on the record button. Now this record button will not be directly available for you if you're in a meeting that is not hosted by you and the recording is not allowed. In that case, you'll be get a pop-up that will allow you to ask the host permission for recording. Similarly, make sure that you have the permission of all the participants in the meeting to record them, right? That is very important. Now, you can press Alt plus R or simply click on this button of record here to start your recording. As you see, the recording will be started and everything that happens in the meeting, both in video and audio, will be saved by Zoom, right? So in case you do need to take a break or a pause from the recording, you can just press pause here.
Stopped.
And you can resume
recording
here,
in progress.
or you can just stop the recording entirely using this button here. So now that we have recorded for this time, let us just stop the recording.
Recording
right?
stopped.
We just stop the recording, and here we got a pop-up that said recorded files will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually end the meeting, right? As soon as we end the meeting using this big red button, you're going to get a pop-up that says converting the meeting recording. Once converted, your files will be shown to you here, right? So these are your recorded files. Out of this is only video, this is only the audio. This does not include the video, and this includes both the video and the audio. So make sure that you always select the MP4 file for uploading if you also want the video and the audio together, right? So that is very important. That is what you need to see because Zoom gives you all three things in one. Right? After that, what we are going to do is we're going to go to Varu TV. So I have my Chrome browser open here. Let's go to Varu TV. As you saw, I am already here. If you also want to reach to this step directly, just click on the link given down below in the description. And if you do not have an account yet, just get started up here. It is free and it's genuinely free. We all offer all the features for free members too, right? So let's get logged in. So as you see, I am already logged in. So I got logged in very easily. And you see a project here that I've already made, which is Record Zoom Meetings. You can also make your own project using this tab, right? And you can change the project name here. Let's say recorded meetings 2, right? And let's save the changes. As you see, the project name has changed. Now we need to add our recorded meetings video. We simply click this button, right? And we click on upload. So our video is in documents. So as you can see, we have the meeting video here, right? So let's just click this. Right, and as the video is already uploaded, and now the system is generating thumbnails and encoding the video, right? So let me turn off the audio so that this does not interfere, and let's get started. So as you can see, the meeting is visible as Zoom records it, right? So yeah, so guys, this is how easily you can upload your Zoom meetings on Voto TV. And this is really this simple. So make sure that you follow the tutorial to the end. If not, please do watch it again. And we'll be coming with more ways of recording your Zoom meetings, right? So make sure that you've subscribed the channel for the same. I'll see you in the next one, and I'll see you on Voto TV. I hope to see you there too. Thank you. Thanks for watching.